Guys, this is Oscam here. So that's how the car is look like. I'm just gonna have a quick run around of the walk around of the car and take the video and see what's going on, so that people can get ready and they can. So it's audio and video surveillance in use. So I'm not allowed to touch it. I can have a look at it. I can video record it. I don't have any problem. So that's the way the cameras are like here. If you look at here, there's a video here, it's watching me. There is a video here, this is watching me. This is from your money and my money. Everyone's money has been used and stealing, and that's why it's happened. See, everyone's money been using here and stealing your money every day. So be careful before you go past. See, this car has been bought from your money, which has been stolen from you, and that's how it is. So if you don't speed, you don't have to pay a fine. So let's have a look again. Hopefully this video helps everybody. I'm just gonna cross around the road and try to see if I can get a more video. So you have a look at how is the camera look there. I'm just gonna take a quick video. So that's how it looks on the side of the road. Let's zoom in. We're in Forest Road here in Bexley. So that would catch you if you are coming from that direction and coming this way. So we won't catch you the other direction. I've been always trying to make this video about the mobile speed camera, which in New South Wales, a sign has been taken off for probably about more than a year now. Since then, a lot of money has been made. How to say? After 2015 to 2020, they made only 5 or 15 million or something like that. I don't know the exact equation, but it's around that much. But just last year, till now, they made almost 15 million just in 1 year because there is no more sign. If you look around, there is no more sign. They're taking out the signs. Yeah, and so I always wanted to make this video. Now I'm just making a video for the YouTube. I have a YouTube channel. I just want to warn people. I'm just warning people how the camera looks, the mobile speed camera.
Oh, you're smart.
Yeah, I'm just trying to help. This is the camera it looks like. I'm just gonna have a quick walk around. So be careful while you're driving. It's just like any other SUV. And you always remember, this is just an SUV that park on the side of the road. You can only see the roof rack because they want to put the camera there. And the thing is that they don't have any sign. It says on the side of the car that it's a New South Wales mobile speed camera, which I'm gonna go and have a look around. So everybody knows. So this stretch road here, this is the Forest Road. We are in Forest Road in, I think it's Bexley. Yeah, it's in Bexley, just close to the Muscat Airport. So I'm just gonna go and have a walk around to see how's the camera look like, so everybody can get a view on that. Yeah, I always wanted to make this video and just tell everybody how the mobile speed camera look like and how they change. And you just have a look. There is cameras on the top. There's quite a few, and it doesn't have any sign or anything to saying, and it's just so tricky. Anybody can get caught on that, and that's how it says on the side of the camera. It says, suppose government is looking to review the law of the signage to put in the sign. They used to have 3 signs before. Now they don't have any more signs. So it tells you there is less death last year because it was lockdown and many other things, but they had the camera changed, no signs, but less people has died. So it's not about taking the sign off that is gonna save the life. It's what I think is the changing the people's behavior, which is up to them. It's up to everybody. It's not just them to making money. If the mobile speed camera was not about making the money, then why there is fine always going up every year? And why if you get a fine and when you're paying the fine, why they're taking the bank fees? Is it because they're stealing your money? It's very simple. This speed cameras 10 years ago, there was no private contractors. This all run by the private contractors. And who's going to pay those contractors? It's been paid by you money. By the way, I never got caught in New South Wales for a mobile speed camera because I always, it's not that I'm not saying I'm not speeding, like everybody has to speed. Nobody is perfect. I got caught in Queensland. I live there, but I'm living here in New South Wales almost 15 years, but I'm holding New South Wales license for 21 years now, and I haven't been caught because I've been really, really cautious because the New South Wales have always 2 to 3 signs, so you can always be prepared before the camera is, and you'll be always cautious. So the sign has taken off now. Yeah, I'm just trying to warn people and telling everybody how the mobile speed cameras looks like in New South Wales. Just to have a look. There's the camera there. I'm not allowed to touch it, but I'm definitely can video it. So this is how it looks. And if you got caught recently, so you know what it is. What it is sketch. Usually, always white. Just make sure this is an always white car, and always have a roof rack because they put the camera in the roof rack and they have some cameras inside. So you're never gonna get caught if you can stop. If you can stop before you cross the car. This is only the positive. So I'm just going to take another look on the main side of the road here. See, this is how it looks like, how the mobile speed cameras look like. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Again, I really wanted to do this video for almost many months, but I just didn't have the time. So I am driving past today and I saw this camera, and I drive past this road every day, and I've never seen this. This is the first time. And this is at the weekend, so you can always go online and check what the mobile speed camera locations are, and you can always be careful and be prepared before you actually drive past. This guy that was actually talking to me earlier, that's his house right there, and he was surprised. I told him, I just warned him that just make sure, because there's a camera there they're putting every day, and you're probably coming home and going out, and it's only like 60 here, so they can catch you anytime. And this road here, you can easily go 70, 80, like in a quiet day, or if it's not a peak hour or something like that. So yeah, hopefully this video helps. Yeah, I'm in Sydney. I don't know, every state there's a different law. There's a car coming really fast and it's going fast, and there is a more and more car coming. So that is a very good spot to make money. This is not nothing. It has nothing to do. This spot here has nothing to do with saving lives. Trust me. If you look a miles away, there is you don't need to. There is a major road ahead, and you got everybody is slowing down anyway. What is the purpose of putting a camera here? I don't understand. Like, anyway, I'm just gonna finish up here today. Hopefully this video will help.